My name is Abhishek Kanath. Today I am going to talk about a very important topic which has been happening for the last 1 week. The topic which I am going to talk about is nothing but about the US election. So let me get into the topic right away and tell you what's happening till now. So, as you all know, the election started on last Tuesday, that is on November 3rd, 2020. So, in US, as you all know, this year is the election year, and the competition is between the current president Donald Trump and the opponent Joe Biden. So, if you see for the last 1 week, when the election started and the counting process, Joe Biden is on a leading side. Why? Because as of now, when I am taking this video, Joe Biden has taken 264 seats, whereas Donald Trump has taken only 214, that is 214 seats. So basically, you may ask, what does it mean? It's nothing but Joe Biden is on a leading side and is on a winning side because the minimum requirements to take the president or to become a president is 270 seats. So first of all, let me explain what is the election process there. So for example, let us take India election process and US election process. In Indian election process, what will happen is if we put the vote to someone, that vote will be counted and it will decide the current Prime Minister of India. For example, assume Tamil Nadu has 100 seats and here there are two parties which you all know. So these two parties, what will they do is they will represent the other two parties, that is a collaboration one of two parties. The other two parties which will stand for the Prime Minister election is, so what will we do is in Tamil Nadu, this DMK will stand as a collaboration with Congress and ADMK will stand on behalf of BJP. So like this in every state there will be a collaboration with BJP or Congress. So around India, whomever takes the highest count will be the Prime Minister for the next 5 years. This is the process which has been happening in India. But in US, it's pretty different. So as of now, what I have understood is that each state, like for example Florida, Miami, Georgia, like that areas, there will be an electoral. Electoral is nothing but just a representative of the people. What they do, they take in survey of the people to whom to vote for and they will put their votes. So this is the process which will happen in the previous years. But now, due to the election, what happened was they have been introduced the votings through mail. So as you all know, the mail voting and in-person voting are two types of voting which have been going in US. So most of the people who voted for Donald Trump is on in-person voting. That is, they go to the election booth and they put their vote. But whereas people who vote for Joe Biden has been put their votes on mail. So, as you all know, it's taking pretty more time than usual. Why? Because if you count the votes which has been put on election booth, then it will be easy. But the votes which has been coming from mail, it is the one which has been taking many more time because millions of people have been putting votes through mail. So this is the reason why Joe Biden has been in a leading side. Many people have been voted through mail for Joe Biden. The reason why Joe Biden is on the leading side is that one of the reasons is that people notice that Donald Trump has been failed to handle the coronavirus. So because of this, there has been a major setback from him, for him. So now the current situation, what is that means? The people or the supporters of Donald Trump has been carrying a gun and trying to break the election vote. On the other hand, the people are starting. Donald Trump has been putting case against Joe Biden because he doesn't want to lose this president election. So let us wait and watch what is happening. On my opinion, mostly Joe Biden will be the president for the next 4 years. But if Joe Biden becomes the president, there is a benefit. There is a benefit for two countries. One is China and other one is Pakistan. Because these two countries have been maintaining a friendly relationship with Joe Biden. So let's wait and see. Because India has also taken the approach for wait and see approach. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe and tell me on what video I should make next. Thank you.